Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick video today and just show you the importance of soil. So I have my netting over. It has been working very well. I've taken most of the, let me get up under here. Okay, so I've taken most of the leaves off of my collards to just give them an opportunity to regrow. I still have some that are just eaten up by the worms, but they are starting to come back and give new leaves. But I just wanted to show the importance of a good soil. So I won't call the name brand of it, but I put this soil down about 2 years ago and never really got a great harvest from my plants from using this particular soil. And so now, as you can see here, I've put a bunch of peat moss around my collards, my few collard plants here. And I need to clean out my bed because the rain just really shot up grass so fast that it kind of overwhelmed me. But the plants here, I have not had a good harvest out of this bed at all. For one, due to the bugs last year, they really ate a lot of my things. But even when the soil was new, it just did not give me great results. And it is a very popular brand. And so I want to show you another one that is new to me. This is my new bed that you probably saw me put in about 2.5 to 3 weeks ago. And look at my plants already coming through because of having a better soil to grow in. So that's the difference when you do your mixes in your soils, you know, the bone meal, the peat moss, for those who want plant-based, then you can do a plant-based fertilizer. The way I did the alfalfa meal. And so, but I just wanted to show you the difference in how much your veggies will grow. And this is not only veggies, this is some plants in here as well, because I planted some things to surround my veggies that will be like natural pesticides, and then some things that will be great for helping to nourish the soil. So I've got a variety of things, but I've got my turnips and mustards. I've got collards. Yeah, turnips, mustards, collards. I've got cabbage. I've got bok choy in here. So there's a little variety of stuff in this bed, but I'm just amazed at how quickly it is growing, just having that great soil foundation. So that's what I wanted to say, is just make sure that you are doing a great foundation for your plants and you will get so much more harvest. I love the small veggies, so I'm going to actually harvest some of these leaves and then use them in a stir fry. So thank you so much for all who support the channel and for all who have subscribed. I appreciate you, and we will see you guys on the next video.